Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying this new way of learning with us now. I hope. This is me, your mathematics teacher, Ms. Rida Asif from SM Public Academy Campus 5. So, my dear ones, what we were discussing in chapter number 3, Algebra, what was the topic? We were discussing square of binomial by using the formula. We have discussed the formula of binomial when the two terms contain the plus sign. Okay, so the formula here is on your screen. How can we get this formula? I have already told you about that. That x plus y whole squared means x plus y is multiplying twice. Okay, so by performing distributive property of multiplication, here we get this formula. Okay, we get the formula x square plus 2xy plus y square. Okay, so then we have discussed the square of binomial when the second term contains the minus sign. What happened? What we get in the right hand at the right hand side of the formula? What is the difference between the first and the second formula? The difference is only of this minus sign. When the second term contains the minus sign, here on the right hand side we get the minus sign, but only with the second term, that is the choice of the product of first and the second term. Okay, is it clear? And how can we get this formula? By multiplying x minus y twice. When we multiply x minus y twice, here we get minus xy, so it becomes minus 2xy, right? Okay, so here we get x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay, I hope that it's clear to you that what is the difference between the first and the second formula. Now, students, if we have to find the square of a plus 1 over a square by using formula, which formula you are going to be applied, first or second? Can you please tell me that which formula you are going to be applied? First or yes, Aisha, absolutely right. We have to apply the no Rada, bete, we have to apply the first formula. We have to check out the sign. Here the sign is of plus, right? So here we are going to apply the first formula, that is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, right? Now let's compare the question with the formulas left hand side. So our a is equals to x, that means here x equals to a and y equals to 1 upon a. Okay, Talha, Halima, this is clear, bete? Who's Rabia Masood? Bete, please rename yourself properly. Rename yourself properly. Okay, Sanya, is it clear? So we get here x is equals to a and y is equals to 1 upon a. We get formula, we get here. Now let's start with the solution. What we have to do in the solution? We have to copy down the question here. Students, what we have to do? We have to copy down the question here. Then first term square, that means first term square. Then plus from the formula, plus 2 from the formula. Then first term into second term, then plus sign from the formula, and second term whole square. Is it clear? First term square plus 2 first term into second term plus second term whole square, right? Now kainat, what we get? A square. Okay, we get a square plus, we get a square, then plus we get 2 here. A 1 upon a is cancelled, so we get 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2, then plus 1 over a square means 1 into 1 is 1, right? So we get 1 over a square. Is it clear, everybody? Everything is clear? Is it clear? Very good. Very good, Ramla. So here we get this answer, a square plus 2 plus 1 over a square. Right? Now, students, what is the question? Find the square of 2r 2r minus 3s. Okay? Why, Afra? What's wrong, bete? Which formula we are going to be applied? Afra, which formula we are going to be applied here? Second. Very good. Why? Because there is a negative sign over here. Okay, there is a negative sign. Afra, what we have to do? Afra, first we have to check that what is the sign between these two terms. If there is a negative sign, we are going to apply the second formula, that is x minus y whole square. Okay, so simple. So here we get the formula. Let's compare the left hand side of the formula with our question. Okay, by comparing we get first term is 2r, so that means here x is equals to 2r and y is equals to 3s. ठीक है अफरा? Is it clear, Afra? Now let's come on the solution. We have to copy down the question first. Okay, Aisha, is it clear, bete? Who's the Sajjad Thakur? Bete, please rename yourself properly, otherwise I will remove you from the class. Please, you will not able to attend the class if you will not rename yourself properly. Yes, Anya. Okay. Now, what we have to do, first term square minus twice of the first term into second term plus from the formula and y square, that is 3s square. What we have to do, we just have to put the values of x and y in the given formula. Okay, according to our formula here, x is 2r, so we have put first 2r whole square minus 2, minus 2 from the formula, first term that is 2r, second term that is 3s plus 3s whole square. Clear? Now what we have to do here, what we have to do, 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, and r square, 2 into 2 is 4, then minus, now 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Am I right, Aisha? We get 12 r s, then plus, now 3s whole square means 3s is multiplying twice. So 3s I'm explaining again. Look at this. Look at this, Sanya. 3 into 3 is 9 and s into s is s square. Is it clear? Is it clear, everybody? So here we get 4r square. Very good. Okay, so here we get 4r square minus 12rs plus 9s square. Now students, the next question, 2a minus 1 over 2a. Which formula is going to be applied? Yes, obviously the second one. Now let's compare the question with our given formula. Okay, in the step 1, we have just put the formula. Now let's compare the formula with our question. Here x is equals to 2a and y is equals to 1 over 2a. Right? Right? Is it clear? Now, okay, so here x is equals to 2a and y is equals to 1 over 2a. Now let's come on the solution. On the solution, in the solution, what we have to do, students, first we have to copy down the question here, and then we have to put a square over here. Okay, we have to put square over here, right? So here we get the question with the square. Now what we get, student? First term square minus 2, first term into second term plus 1 over 2a whole square, right? Now this 2a ones are 2a, 2a ones are 2a. It is going to be cancelled and we get minus 2 ones are minus 2. So here what we get here, here we get what we get here, students? Here we get 4a square minus 2 only, because 2a 2a multiplied with 1 over 2 is going to be cancelled over here, and we get plus 1 over 4a whole 4a square. Okay, clear? Now the next question is a square minus 1 over a square. Now which formula is going to be applied? Yes. No, Ali? Okay, second formula. We have to apply the second formula, right? Chaliye, let's start the question. So first, write down the formula properly. Okay? But please remember that only the negative sign comes with the second term. Only, right? Now, let's compare the left-hand side of the formula with our question. So here, a square is our x and 1 over a square is our y, right? Now let's come on the solution. First copy down the question with the whole square. So here what we get, let me explain you properly. Here we get a square whole square minus 2 is copied from the formula. Then first term into second term. I need your concentration here please. And the second term whole square with the plus sign. Okay, be careful about the sign. Only the second term containing the negative sign, only the second term, the term having 2xy, only the second term contains the negative sign. Clear everybody? Now a square whole square means a square multiplying twice. So a square into a square is, can you please share your answer in the chat box? Very good, Aisha. Very good, Manahel. Bete, excellent. Excellent. So here, very good, Manahel. Now here we get the answer a raised to the power 4, then minus 2. A square and a square is going to be cancelled. We get plus 1 into 1 is 1 and a raised to the power 4. That's it. Clear, everybody? Is it clear? Everything is clear? Very good, Shairoz. Very good, Aisha. Very good, Sumaya. Areeb, Afra. Now this question is clear, Bide. Is this question clear to you? Is this question clear to you properly? Any question? Any question? Areeb, everything is clear? With the question. Okay, Sanya, I'm going to explain you this question again by using here, by using the notebook. Okay, Sanya? But after that, you have to solve the question which I will give you today properly. Don't copy down this question again. I am going to explain you. I'm going to I'm going to take the question a square minus 1. Okay? I'm explaining you again an example. After that, I will give you two questions for today. Okay, here the question is a square minus 1. What we have to do, we have to find the square by using formula. Here students, first we have to find out which formula is going to be applied. Student, minus is there, that means the second one, the formula, that is x minus y whole square. You can share your answers in the chat box. X square minus 2xy plus y square. Right? Right? Sanya, Ali. Now, here, according to our formula and according to our question, here x is equals to a square. So I can write x is equals to a square and y is equals to 1 only. Don't write the minus sign. Y is equals to 1 only. Clear? Now let's come on the solution. Okay, first copy down the question. The question is a square minus 1 and then whole square. Why? Because we have to find the square by using formula. So what we have done, we have just copied the question by whole square over here, right? Now, first term square, then minus twice of the first term, second term, then plus second term whole square. Acha, now first term is a square. Okay, first term is a square, right? Second term is 1. Second term is 1. Okay. Zuhaib, are you there with me? Bete, we have to copy down the second term also. Okay. Yesterday, you have given me the wrong answer. Please make the correction. Now, a square whole square, that means a square multiplying twice. That means a square into a square. When bases are same, power will be added. We get a raised to the power 4. Right? Then minus 2 ones are 2a square. Then plus 1 into 1 is 1. Answer. Is it clear? Is this question clear to you? Very good. Here I get the answer by Asia, by so many, by students, by Sheroz, by Zainab. Very good, Bete. Very good. Now moving on to the next question. Then I am going to start the classwork. Now I'm going to take the question a square b square, okay, plus 1 over a square b square, right? Now here which formula is going to be applied? Formula, we have to find the square. So here the formula is x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now, according to this formula, according to this formula, here x is equals to a square b square and y is equals to 1 over a square b square. Now let's come on the solution, students. Let's come on the solution. Now, copy down the question a square b square plus 1 over a square b square. Are you solving this question with me? Okay. Now, this is equal to first term square plus twice of the first term into second term plus second term whole square. Right? Ahmed, you can solve this question in the rough copy and you can share your answer with me. That's it. Okay? Don't attempt this question in your classwork copy, right? Now, we get the first term, first term, first term, right? Now, what is the second term? 1 over a square b square. Okay. Now, 1 over a square b square. Very good. I get the answer by Sheroz, by Ali, by Aisha. Now, students, a square b square. Okay. A square b square whole square. क्या हो जाएगा? We get a raised to the power 4 and b raised to the power 4. Then plus these two terms are same. So here these two terms will be cancelled. Right? We get plus 2. Then plus 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Manahil, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Not 2 ones are 2. 1 is multiplying twice. 1 is multiplying twice. So we get 1 into 1 is 1. Right? Upon a square b square. A square b square का मतलब क्या होता है? Look at here. I am just solving the third term here to show you clearly. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of a 1 upon a square b square whole square? The meaning of this is that 1 upon a square b square is multiplying twice, right? So we get 1 ones are 1, and here a square into a square is a4, right? And b square into b square is b4. Okay, a square into a square, when bases are same, power will be add power will be added. Okay, Manahil, very good bit. So here we get a raised to the power 4 and b raised to the power 4. Is it clear? Now this solution is clear. Here we get the answer. Is it clear? We just, what we have to do, we have to, step number 1, we have to check out the sign first. If there is a plus sign, we have to take the first formula. Okay, then we have to take first term as an x, second term as an y, then copy down here, sorry students, here copy down the question with the whole square. Okay, then first term square plus 2, first term into second term, and plus second term whole square, then we get the answer here. Now everything is clear, my dear. I hope that now everything is clear to you. Now let's share that what is our index for today. Let me share. Any question, class? I hope that everything is clear to you. Any question? So let's start the classwork. Ready, Sheros? Now, students, here exercise 3.13, which is on page number 59. Question number 10 and 12. Quickly make the index, everybody. Maintain the index. Asya, right now, yes, right now video is disabled by me. Yes, I want you to first solve the question. Asya, first what we have to do? First, what we have to do, bete, first copy down the index and start the question. Okay, then I will ask you to share your videos. Okay, first copy down the index properly. I hope that you all have completed indices from Monday till today. Okay, tomorrow you have to submit your copy. Okay, I want the proper indices with date. Okay, very good. Here, very good. Here, Noseba, very good, Biddy. Thank you so much. Noseba is showing me the index for today. Very good, Noseba. Noseba, let's start the class work. Noseba, here on the top, write down exercise 3.13, question 10 and 12. Biddy, write down the question. Question is on page number 59. The question is find the square by using formula. Biddy, don't forget to mention the date at the top. First, mention the date. Ali Jafri. Ali Jafri, start question number 10 because I am going to ask this question solution from you. Okay, start the solution. Here, Abiha Anis is there. Abiha, where were you yesterday, bete? Hamza Kashif is there. Bete, be punctual. Attend the class every day, please. Attend this online session every day. Okay, while you are solving this question, after completing your question, raise your hand so that I can open your videos. Okay, then I'm going to open your videos. Right now I'm going to take your attendance. Okay, Halima, very good. Halima is raising her hand. One second, let me take your attendance first. Shh. Students, have you completed this question? Sumaya, Subhana, are you ready, everybody? Aisha, I can ask the solution. I can ask the answer from any one of you. Okay. Yes. Who is this Sajad Thakur? Who is this Sajad Thakur? Kindly unmute yourself first. Who's this Sajad Thakur? Okay. As you are not replying me, I'm putting in you the waiting room. Right. Now, students. Now here the students are raising their hand. So let's start the videos. Okay. So here, 1 second. Now you can share your videos with me. Okay. First, Halima, where is Halima? Halima, share your video with me, bete. Halima. Halima, what happened? Ramla. Okay, Ramla. Here. Ramla. Okay. Ramla, very good. Page is maintained by you. A, B minus C, D. Ramla, show me the question number 10. Okay. Here we get here we get the formula, then here, and then solution we get a square b square minus 2abcd plus c square d square. Very good. Now let's, very good Ramla, let's check out Manahil's work. Manahil, bete, question number 10 is ab minus cd. Manahil, make correction please. Manahil, bete, please copy down the question properly. Okay. Here, Ramiz is sharing the video. Let's check out. Okay, Ramiz. So here, very good. The question is written properly. Here, the formula is there. Here, x is equals to AB and y is equals to CD. Very good, Ramiz. Then here, we get AB minus CD. This is equal to Ramiz. Here, what is Betty, there is so much cutting is over there. Can you please cut the second line and rewrite your answer again? Okay, cut the second line and rewrite the answer again. Okay, now here Ahmad Hassan. Yes, Ahmad. So Ahmad, very good. A square b square minus 2abcd plus c square d square. Yes, Ahmad, very good, bete. Now let's see here. Abdur Rahman, what happened, bete? Where are you? Okay. Here Sanya is there. Sanya, Abdur Rahman, you can share your video now, bete. Here Ramiz is sharing, Ahmad is sharing here, and okay, students, I want you all to please share your videos. Okay, please share your videos, students. Here Rabia, okay, Rabia is also sharing the video. Rabia, Kainat, can you share the video? Kainat, Asya, Kainat is there. Okay, Aisha, okay, Aisha, let's check out Aisha. Yes, very good. A square b square minus 2abcd plus c square d square. Very good. Here Zainab is sharing the answer. Let's check out Zainab's answer, very good. Here a square b square minus 2abcd plus c square d square. Now students, coming on to the next question. The next question is question number 12. Now raise your hand and share the next question with us. Yes, Rida, share the question number 12 with us. Can you share the question number 12 with us? Question number 12. Here, Sanya, share the solution bit. Here we get the answer 4x square minus 2 plus 1 over 4x square. Very, very good. Here, very, very good. Here, Nuseba is there with us. Nuseba, we get the answer 4x square minus 2 plus 1 over x. 1 over Nuseba. I can't see the answer. I want to see the answer, bete. Okay, plus 1 over 4x square. Everything is clear? Everything is clear. Abdur Rahman, what happened, bete? Start the video, na? Abdur Rahman, start the video. Okay, Abdur Rahman is there. Abdur Rahman, yes. Abdur Rahman is there with us. Abdur Rahman and Nuseba is there. Abdur Rahman, show me the next question, question number 12. Okay, a square. Abdur Rahman, show me question number 12. Nuseba is showing us question number 12. Very good, Nuseba. Okay. Okay, here Sheroz is there. Okay, so here we can see the answer by Sheroz. Sheroz, 4x square bete. 4x, there is a mistake in the first term. Make correction quickly. 4x square, okay? 4x square. Now, Sanya, show me the answer. Sanya, quickly. Sanya, show me your copy. Bete, show me your copy. Can you please? Yes. 4. Where is the question 12? Sanya, show me question number 12 quickly. Bete, we don't have that much time. You are solving it right now. Come on, quickly. Complete the question. Here Ramla is showing us. Ramla, 4x square minus 2 plus 1 over 4x square. Ramla, there is a mistake in the third term. Ramla, 4x square. Put the square in the last term. Okay. Now, how many of you? Here, Rabia is over there. Rabia. 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 Rabia, show me the answer. Rabia, again, there is a mistake in the first term, bete. 4x square. Bete, 2x whole square. What is the meaning of 2x whole square? That 2x multiplying twice. So 2 2s are 4. X and x into x is x square. So in your answer, you have written 4x minus 2. Write down 4x square. Square, put the square on x. Yes, very good. Now, in this way, when you switch on your videos, when you turn on your videos, you can find out your corrections. Ali, 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 please switch on your video. Here, everybody is showing their videos. Now, I hope that both the questions are clear to you. You all have shown me the solution here. Aisha, Ramiz, you all have. What about Rumesa, Ali Jafri, Anam, Saad, Khurram, Anamta, Iman, Aisha, Sumaya, Hania, Abdul Fawzan, Arib, Afra, Fatma, Abiha? What happened, bete? Why you all are not showing us video? Please, I want to see your videos, please. Okay, Ali Jafri is there. Ali? Yes, Ali. Ali, you Ali, there is a mistake, bete. Ali, when in the question there is 2x minus 1 over 2x. Which formula is going to be applied? We will going to apply the minus x minus y whole square. Okay. So here I am showing you Kainat's. Yes, here you can see the very proper solution given by Kainat formula here and the solution. You can check out this solution, it's very proper and correct. Okay, okay, we get 4x square minus 2 plus 1 over 4x square. Thank you so much, students. So today we have completed our work. Okay, we have completed our work today. We have completed our classwork today. Now what I want from you, that make the proper index. Okay, make the proper index and submit your copies properly tomorrow. Complete your homework, complete your works, check out your answers properly. Here in this way you have to write here formula and solution. Okay, is there any question left? You can ask me the question in the chat box, and here you can see the 3 questions on your screen. Yes, Subhana, x minus 1 whole square. Ahmad, you can solve this question quickly in your any rough notebook and you can share your answer with me. Okay, you can share your answer with me. Abdur Rahman, Ali Jafri, Anamta. Bete, what will be the answer of x minus 1? Okay, we have to find the square by using formula. What will be the answer? Please raise your hand to share your answer. Here, Ahmad. Ahmad, share your answer with me quickly. What will be the answer, Ahmad? You are raising your hand. Unmute yourself, please, if you know the answer. X minus 1. Yes, Ramesh. Ramesh, what will be the answer? Yes, Ramesh. What will be the answer?
X square
Yes.
minus 2x plus 1.
Excellent, Ramesh. Excellent. Shabash bete. Very good. So here I get the answer number 1 by Ramesh. X square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, now what about the second one? Second MCQ. 6x square. Kindly raise your hand. Raise your hand, students. Here I want answer by Ali. Ali? Yes.
6x square equal to 36x square.
Very good, Ali. Very good, Ali. We get the answer number 2, 36x square. Now, question number 3. Question number 3. Here, so many students are raising their hands. I have taken 2 answers from boys. Now, let's take the answer from a girl. Okay, here, let's take the answer from Asya. Asya, share your answer. Asya, unmute yourself quickly, bete.
1 over A4 BC.
Very good. 1 over a raised to the power 4 b square c square. Okay. Asya, 1 over a raised to the power 4 b square c square. Okay. I hope that today's lecture is properly clear to you. Thank you so much, my dear ones. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.